Ooh, definitely improving, right?
Yeah.
It's time to clean the really dirty earrings and your beautiful cartouche. We take this and we put it in the solvent. Let's put the top on it.
See a piece of.
Turn it on and hit the timer. 3 minutes, here we go. All right, we're done cooking. Let's see what we cooked up in here. Ooh, definitely improving, right?
Yeah.
So I would say where I really see the big difference to me is like on the smooth silver. I see a big difference.
Yeah.
Oh,
that side looks really
look at
nice.
that.
That looks nice.
Yeah, that looks really nice.
And these do have, they're silver, so these are patinaed. So they definitely have a huge improvement.
And I got another piece of evidence. If you want, look at the bottom.
Ooh.
You can see all
Oh
like
my God.
all the dirt.
What? Wow. I feel like it's part of the silver.
Okay, so this has been a phenomenal success. I don't think this could be anything other than a 5 out of 5 perfect Doug score for a successful thing. This is really cool. And while we did this with the jewelry, we're now gonna have to do with some dirty car parts too. If you need a solvent for your ultrasonic cleaner, this is definitely the one to get. If you want this, and you should want this, you cannot possibly go wrong with it. There could be a link right here on the screen. Worst case, it's down in the description. And while you're down there, if you would like, subscribe, leave us a comment. What are you gonna clean? Are you gonna clean jewelry or are you gonna do car parts? You let us know. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.